Yes. So we told what? We told that now in the first, let's say, diagram, we can see that the car is traveling at a constant speed. This one, my learners, the car is what? Is traveling at a constant speed. At a constant speed. Okay. Then for the C, we can see that the speed is, the object is stationary, or the object does not move. Stationary. Stationary means what? Means that the object is not, means that the car is stopped or the car is not moving. Okay? So this is the car. Smile. I need the battery.
Can you come here?
Yes?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's up. Yes, sir. Okay, so the car. We turn right. The car is stopped. Sorry for the pen, maybe the battery will finish. So the car. Then, this one we can say that the speed of the car is decreasing. Speed of the car. Speed of the car is what? Is decreasing. Okay, and the last one we can say that. Okay, the car is coming back. We can say that the speed of the car is decreasing. No, the car is traveling at constant speed. Okay, the car is traveling at constant speed. Why? Because this one, my learners, is a parabola, a part of a parabola. Okay, it has the same gradient. Okay. Now exercise. The graph shows how far a child is from home. Who can read the question? Okay. Who can read it? So, describe how the child moves. How the child moves. Okay? Then calculate the speed of what? Calculate the speed of calculate the speed of the child on each part journey. Okay. Look, describe how the child moves. The child, let's say, moves from 0 second to, this is 0, 20, 40, 60, to 80. Okay, this is 80 seconds. Okay, so in the first journey, in the first part of the journey, okay, he moves. So this is 1000. This is 100. Just a moment, I'll check from the laptop. This is 200, 400, 600. Okay, 800. Okay. So this one, my learners, is 200. This is 400. This is 600. This is 800. And this one, 1000. 1000 meters. Okay. So the boy on his first journey part, he traveled 1000 1000 meter in 80 seconds. Okay? Then he stopped here. Okay? Let's say here the speed is stationary, means the object, means the boy, he's stopped. So this is stop. Okay? Stop. Means the boy stopped. And the third part of his journey is to go back home. Okay? So he walked 1000 meter in how many seconds? So this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 seconds. So let's say the child went to go back home, he walked 1000 meter in how many seconds? In 100 seconds. Okay? But in the first part, he only walked 1000 meter in 80 seconds. Okay. Look here. The first part of the graph shows the child moving away from home at a constant speed. The second horizontal part of the graph shows the child remains in the same position, means he is stopped. He is stopped. Is stopped. The third part of the graph shows the child returning to starting point at steady speed. Okay. So, calculate the speed of the child on each part of the journey. We'll find the speed is what? The speed is what? Speed is speed equal distance divided by time. Distance divided by the time. Okay. In the first part, we have what? This one, 1000 divided by 80. So, in the first part of the journey is what? Is, we told 1000 divided by 80. 1000 divided by 80. So just cross this and this one, it will be 100 divided by 8. Then, how many fours here? It will be 2. Here, how many fours? It will be 25. 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. What is the unit? Is meter per second. This is the first journey. It will be 12.5. 12.5 meter per second. Okay? The second one. So the second one. Okay, move to the third one. It will be, we told 1000 divided by, from this point. So it will be 20 divided by 100. Gives 10. Okay? So the first one, during the first stage of the child travels what? Travels 1000 meters in 80 seconds. So the speed equal distance over time, it will be 1000 divided by 80 gives 12.5. Okay? Gives 12.5 here. And here also, as there is a stop, so the speed is 0. Okay? The next. In this third part, during the third stage at the child returns, he travels 1000 meters in 100. He travels 1000 meters in 100 seconds. From 100 to what? To 200. Okay, so make the difference between this both as you will find, let's say 200 minus 100 is 100, and 1000 divided by 100 is 10 meters per second. Okay, this is about the third part. And the second part, horizontal part of the graph that shows that the child remains in the same position, he has no speed. Okay. Exercise. On a journey, Rebecca drives at 50, okay, meter per hour. This is meter per hour. For 2 hours, rests for 1 hour, and then drives another 70, let's say, miles in 1.5 hours. First stage. Travels 100 miles, this is miles, okay, 100 miles, 2010, okay, just check the numbers here. So 0, 20, 40, okay, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so this one is madam, this is 0, this is 20, 10, 20, yes, this is 20. Okay, this is 40, this is 40, okay. It's just some home, what's this? So we have 60, 80, yes, okay. So we told that 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100, 120, 140, 160, and 180 till you reach, let's say, 200. So, travels 100 miles in 2 hours. This is, okay, this is 1 hour and a half, 2 hours. So, this is 1 hour only, this is 1 hour. So, this is 1 hour and a half, this is 2 hours, this is 3 hours, this is 4 hours, and so on. Okay, so let's draw this one. Travels 100 miles in 2 hours. 100 miles in 2 hours. This one. Okay. I will make a dashed line like that. 1 from 0, of course. Okay. This is the first part. The second one. Rest. The second stage. Rest, so the distance does not change, okay. And the third, we told the rest for 1 hour. Rest for 1 hour. 1 hour. This is 1 hour. From 2 to 3. And then drives another 70 miles in 1.5. 70 miles in 1.5. This is 70 miles. Okay, in 1 hour and a half. From 3, this is, okay, this is 3.5, 4, 4.5. Okay, like that. From this, okay. This is the, okay, this is the third part. Just erase to draw the dashed line, okay. Okay. So, the next. How long does it take Jamal to cycle to the shop? This is the shop. Okay. Where he stopped, this is the shop, my friends. Okay. The object does not move any. Means how many seconds? This is, okay, we'll check it from the numbers. We have what? This is 0, okay, 100, 200, 300, 30, 60, 90. Okay, 30, 60, 90. This is 30. This is 30. This is 60. This is 90. This is 120. This is 150. Sorry for the pen. Sorry for the pen moderness. Okay. We thought this is 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. This is 210. This is 240. Okay? 240. Okay, erase all. I will just say, okay, this is 100, this one is 100, this one is 200, this one 300, okay, this one is 400, this one is 500. So this is 0, this is 30, 60, 90, then 90, 120, then 150, 150, 180, then 210, 240, then 240, 270, 300, then 330, 360. Okay? So, now the question is, how long does it take Jamal to cycle to the shop? To cycle to the shop. Okay? How long does it take Jamal to cycle to the shop? Okay? So, what is the distance? This one denotes the distance. This is distance, and this is the time. This is the time. Okay, so Jamal took to cycle to the shop. How many, let's say, minutes or seconds? Yes? This one, this one, so it will be 150. 150, about, is it second? Yes, 150 seconds. Okay, time is in seconds. Okay, so 150. 150 seconds. How long does it take Jamal to cycle to the shop? Okay, the second one, what distance does Jamal cycle to get to the shop? So, he cycles how many? This one, this distance. So, this is 0, 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. So, 450. Okay, what is the unit? The unit is meter. The unit is meter. So 240 meter. The unit of the distance is meter, my learners. Okay. So, see, calculate the speed in which Jamal cycled to the shop. The speed is what? Small c. Speed is distance divided by time. Distance we told 450. 450 divided by, okay, divided by 150 seconds. So it will be 3 meters. 3 meters per second. This is the speed. Okay. How long does Jamal spend at the shop? He spent how many hours here? Okay, or how many seconds? From 150, this is 150 second to what? To 240. To 240 seconds. So, this is, we told 150, 30, then we have 30, 60, 90. So it will be, he spent how long? For the, how long does Jamal spend at the shop? We told 90 seconds. 90 seconds. 90 seconds. Okay. Then, small e, calculate the speed at which Jamal cycles on his way home. Okay? So, his way home is that. So, for 240, then 300, I will make the difference. We'll make what? We will make 450, okay, 450 divided by what? Divided by 360 minus 240, okay? So 360 minus 240, okay. It will be 450 divided by 360 minus 240. Look here, 360 minus 240. This is 0. Okay, will be 120. Then try to cancel the common factor, which is 10. Okay, it will be 45 divided because that 45 divided by 12, then divided by 3, and here by 3, it will be 15 divided by 4. 15 divided by 4 gives what? Gives 3.75. Okay. 12 divided by 4 is 3, so 12 plus 3 gives 15. 3 divided by, so 15 we got 15 divided by 4. So this is 3, 12, it will be 3, okay. 3, okay, 3 divided by 4 not possible. Okay, then 0.0. So 30 divided by 4 is 7, then minus 28. It will be 2, then there is another 0 put here. 20 divided will be 3.75. What is the unit? The unit is meter per second. Okay, the graph shows how Tom's distance from home varies with the time when he visits Ireland. How long does Tom spend at Ireland? Okay. So I will let this is homework. Okay. Then how far it is from Tom's home to Irons? Okay, on which part of the journey does Tom travel to the fastest? How fast does Tom walk on the way back to Irons? So this is, my kids, is what this part denotes what? Denotes Irons, okay? Denotes Irons. Okay. So do this please, I will check it after the winner. Okay. I told you that this one is a homework, okay. I will give you time to think of it. We can say that. How long does Tom spend at Eins? So, the longer horizontal part of the graph, this one represent Tom is at Eins home. Okay, so the time is what? Is 90, this is 90, this one, my learners, is 90, minus 40, this one is 40, this one is 40, okay. Then, so it will be 50 minutes. Then small b, how far is it from Tom's home to Eins? So it will be what? It will be 3,000 meters. This is a check the unit. So this one 3,000 meters. This one is 3,000 meters. Okay. And this part, it will be 500, 1,000, 1.5. Okay. So this one is 5,000. This is 500, sorry. 500. This is 1,000, my learners. 1,000. This is 1.5. This is 2,000. This is 2.5. This one. Okay. So then, so small b is 3,000 meters. For how long does the Tom stop on the way to Eins? Okay, he stopped here. Okay, this one. On his way to Eins. So Tom stops for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. From this one, my learners, from this, okay, to that. Okay, this is 30. Well, this is 20. So it will be for his Tom stops for 10 minutes, represents by the smaller horizontal part on the graph. Represent by the smaller, let's say, horizontal part on the graph. Then small d, on which part of the journey does Tom travel the fastest? So he traveled fastest on the second part of the journey to Eins. Look here, this is, so the speed is not steeper, okay, but look here, within, let's say, 10 seconds, he, let's say, travels at the speed of, okay, of 3,000 minus 1,000 is 2,000. 2,000 divided by 10 seconds gives 20, okay, 20 meters per second. So, we told that he travels fastest on the second part of the journey to Eins. This where this graph is steepest. He travels 2,000 meters, okay, 2,000 meters from 3,000 to 1,000 in 10 minutes. Okay, in 10 minutes. So this is denotes the minute. In 10 minutes. So the graph, the speed is 2,000 divided by 10. Yes, gives 200 meter per minute. Okay, 200 meter per minute. Okay. So it will be what? Then 20. We multiply 20 multiplied by 60 over 100. Okay, so it will be 12 meters per hour. If you would like to change to kilometer per hour. The last one, Tom travels 3,000 meters in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes. Okay, 3,000 in 30 minutes. This is 3,000 my learners. Okay, in how many minutes? In 30 minutes. Let's see this one. This is 30 minutes. 90, 100, 110, 120. So we make 120 minus 90 gives 30 minutes. So speed equal distance divided by time equal 3,000 divided by the difference of 120 minus 90 gives what? Gives 100 meter per minute. Okay? Thank you for listening. See you inshallah next Tuesday. Okay?